In this video, I'll show you how to watch NFL on Peacock. Step 1. Subscribe to Peacock Premium or Premium Plus. Sign up for a Peacock paid plan to unlock live NFL games including Sunday Night Football and select playoff matchups. Free tier does not include live NFL content. Step 2. Log into your Peacock account. Open the Peacock app or go to peacocktv.com and sign in with your email and password. Step 3. Find NFL games or live events. Navigate to the sports section or search for NFL or Sunday Night Football. Upcoming games are highlighted and you can set reminders for major events like the Super Bowl. Step 4. Start live streaming. Select the NFL game you want to watch. Click Watch Live to join during the scheduled broadcast. Playback includes pre-game coverage and live commentary. Step 5. Supported devices and some tips. Watch NFL games on Peacock via smart TV, streaming boxes, mobile apps, tablets and web browsers, and for the best results you should use a fast internet connection and update your apps. I'll advise you to use an Ethernet cable if your Wi-Fi is slow. Now I have some tips for streaming on Peacock. Enable reminders for important games start times. NFL replays may not be available, so watch live for the full experience. And use Peacock Premium Plus for ad-free viewing and access to your local NBC station. And that's how you watch NFL on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.